Welcome to Winning Products.
Today, if you're going to class new product called Mother's Day Mama letter pendant necklace for women, 3 colors, mom, nameplates, clavicle chain, choker, personality, jewelry, new gifts. It currently has 4.6 star reviews on AliExpress with 995 reviews and 3,538 orders. As you can see, the pendant is looking beautiful, and this is a winning product because it's sold online. Secondly, it's user friendly and it fulfills a particular interest, that is love interest, family interest, niche. It's a wow factor. It has a high passive value. It covers the family niche, gifts niche. So it's seen as a winning product. These products can be sold currently during the month of April towards Mother's Day. As you can see currently, if you ask Google when is Mother's Day in the United States, Sunday 8th May. So if you're going to sell this product, I suggest to target more of the US market because the Mother's Day is on Sunday 8th May. So you target more of the US market to sell these products. As you can see on AliExpress, they have an anniversary sale, ends in 1451. The countdown timer is on. As I time of recording this video, which is 1st April 2022. It sold at a rate of 1.32 USD. It comes with different metal color variation. It has free shipping from China to United States via Canyon Super Economy Global. Estimated delivery is on June 1. But as you can see on Google, in US, Mother's Day is on 8th May. So if you are going to be shipping this product, I don't suggest you use this listing on AliExpress, Trending Necklace Store. I suggest you use another supplier. Now let's go further. The supplier I suggest you use is called CJ Dropshipping. It's an independent supplier. The name on CJ Dropshipping is called DIY Personal Custom Cut Name Necklace, Stainless Steel Diamond Name Pendant. The product price is 6.14 USD to 6.99 USD. It comes with different color variation. The shipping fee is 3.55 USD. Service fee is 0.48 USD. The total dropshipping price is between 10.70 USD to 11.02 USD. Processing time is 1 to 3 days. Weight 30 grams. SKU stock keeping units is this. Now let's progress further to the shipping time, because the reason why we came to CJ Dropshipping is because of the shipping time compared to AliExpress. So if you look towards the section of CJ Dropshipping, if you look towards the section of CJ Dropshipping, you see ship from China warehouse, and it can be integrated to your Shopify, Woocommerce, or WeStore, as you can see. Now look at the shipping to the United States. Shipping method is we're going to choose CJ packet ordinary because it's 10 to 18 days compared to AliExpress, which is June 01. For a marketing strategy, we are going to use USA and UK Twitter influencers because it fulfills the family niche and the love niche. Keywords like leadership goals with user-generated content work well on with Twitter influencers. If you're going for Twitter influencers, make sure you target USA Twitter influencers and UK Twitter influencers. But because of Mother's Day, I suggest to target USA Twitter influencers that has a minimum of 3,000 followers and tweet at least once a day and have at least 500 viral retweets, among others. You also go for USA or UK TikTok influencers, but before you go mainly for USA TikTok influencers, you go for Facebook ads. Yes, Facebook ads do well during this period. The interest and targeting, that is engaged shoppers that shopped for the past 30 days, so that shop during the Valentine period. You can also target such that is shop for engaged shoppers. That is in the behavioral aspect of it. Then age range, target between 18 to 65. Why? Then this is adult age range, so some are already mothers between that age range, so you can target between 80 to 65. As for the location, use mainly the US. You can also use YouTube search ads. That is YouTube do well during this period. You can use to search ads. You can also use Google search ads with the headline "Best Gifts for Your Mother." Yes, with that headline, "Best Gift for Your Mother." or number one best gift for your mother on Mother's Day. You can also use YouTube video ads. And the proposed trading result for the personal and custom cut name necklace for the cost price on CJ Dropshipping is 6.99 USD. The total shipping cost, which is CJ ordinary, is 4.28 USD. And the gross profit will give you 31.72 USD. This gross profit because you've not deducted your ad cost. If you deduct the cost of sending the product to Twitter influencers to make videos of the products or to make a post of the product, because they understand their audience well, and if they charge for the product, except you are going to give them based on commission basis, but if they are going to charge from it, you have to deduct it from the product size from it. You have to deduct it from your gross profit to give you net profits. Also, if you are running other logistics, if you are a professional dropshipper, you have to deduct such your feeding, your light expenses, your subscription fee, among others. You have a proposed selling price. You can sell it at a rate of 42.99. You can also sell at a rate of 42.95, even at the rate of 45.95, because it's not a high passive value.
If you find this video helpful, please like. Remember to subscribe and turn on the notification button to all, so that you can get updated each time we publish a new video. Thank you for your time, thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something in this video to decide which product to sell now.